Welcome to Pro Auto Reviews, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, specs, and the latest automotive news. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay up to date with all the best vehicles hitting the market, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Falcon, diving into its design, features, and performance specifications that make it a standout in the automotive world. The 2025 Ford Falcon has captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts worldwide with its bold design and impressive technology. Building on the legacy of previous Falcon models, this latest version delivers a blend of power, comfort, and advanced features that make it a worthy contender in its segment. Whether you're a fan of the Falcon's heritage or a first-time buyer, this model promises something for everyone. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Ford Falcon showcases a more refined and modern aesthetic compared to its predecessors. Ford has adopted sleek lines and a wider stance, giving the vehicle a more aggressive and athletic look. The front end features a distinctive grille, flanked by sharp, angular headlights that highlight its bold presence on the road. The rear is equally striking, with LED taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds a touch of performance flair. The overall body design is aerodynamically optimized, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance while ensuring a smooth, stable ride at higher speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Falcon offers a variety of engine options to cater to different performance needs. For those seeking a powerful and thrilling driving experience, the top-tier engine is a turbocharged V6 that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower. This engine provides quick acceleration, making the Falcon one of the fastest cars in its class. For those who prefer a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, Ford also offers a turbocharged inline-4 engine that still manages to deliver solid power while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The Falcon's transmission options include a 6-speed manual for enthusiasts who love the control of shifting gears and an advanced automatic transmission for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Ford Falcon has made significant strides in terms of interior comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout, creating an upscale feel without sacrificing functionality. The seating is designed for long-distance comfort, with adjustable lumbar support and ample headroom and legroom for both the front and rear passengers. The infotainment system has been upgraded with Ford's latest Sync 4 interface, which includes a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and voice-activated controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, making it easy to connect your phone and access your favorite apps while driving. Safety has always been a priority for Ford, and the 2025 Falcon comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Standard driver assistance technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Additionally, the Falcon offers optional adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, which provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings to assist with parking and low-speed maneuvers. With these safety systems, the 2025 Falcon ensures that both drivers and passengers are protected in various driving situations. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Ford Falcon delivers a balanced and responsive driving experience. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide a smooth ride over roads required for sharp turns and icy corners. The steering is precise, and the chassis feels stable at highway speeds. Whether you're cruising on the open road or navigating city streets, the Falcon offers a ride that strikes the right balance between comfort and sportiness. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2025 Ford Falcon impresses. Despite its powerful engines, the Falcon manages to maintain competitive fuel economy ratings, thanks to its lightweight design and aerodynamic enhancements. The turbocharged inline-4 engine, in particular, offers excellent mileage, making it a solid choice for drivers looking to save at the pump. Whether you're using the Falcon for daily commuting or long road trips, it strikes a good balance between performance and efficiency. Pricing for the 2025 Ford Falcon starts at a competitive level, offering a solid value proposition for those seeking a performance-oriented vehicle with modern features and technology. While the higher trims with more powerful engines and additional luxury features come at a premium, the base models still offer a great driving experience at a more affordable price point. Overall, the Falcon is positioned as a versatile and well-rounded vehicle that caters to a wide range of buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Falcon is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a powerful, stylish, and well-equipped vehicle. With its impressive performance capabilities, cutting-edge technology, and modern design, it's clear that Ford has worked hard to make the Falcon a standout in its class. Whether you're after a car with speed and performance, advanced safety features, or a comfortable interior, the Falcon delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a new car, this model should definitely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more car reviews, specs, and automotive news, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. At Pro Auto Reviews, we're committed to bringing you the most comprehensive car reviews so you can make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.